5 years ago, in December 2008, we organized the best ever Pan IIT alumni meet here on campus. With 4,000 registrants and 4 crore in a revenue, we put a fabulous show. Leadership was provided in spades by our 1978 alum B. Santhanam. He flawlessly led a team of high-powered alumni who put up together Pan IIT 2008. So let's welcome these guys on stage for one huge round of applause. Mr. Sri Santhanam, please lead your way.
Okay. I'll see you too.
I was supposed to say something. First, I want to thank Bhaskar. I think he was the Dean, Planning and Infrastructure. And when we talked about this Pan IIT in 2007, for the India part, which takes place biannually, it was Madras or Chennai's time to host. And we were wondering where to do that. And Professor Anand came back and said that, look, do it in IIT. And there are a few other problems that we face because of that. But one thing which really made a huge difference in the whole IIT, the faculty, the students, the people, made this almost a memorable experience. It was probably one of the best Pan IIT, I was told. I don't know about the previous ones and the later ones. But we had more than 3,000 people here. And we used all of these facilities, and we also took opportunity at that point in time. I think Bhaskar air-conditioned the student activity center. So I think it was absolutely wonderful. I think one of the things that at least many of us learned, that we actually met almost every month for about 15 months. Every Saturday we used to be sitting here, and actually I don't know how the decisions got made. And it was one of those unique experiences where really no one was a leader and everybody was taking good decisions, and it went flawlessly. So I really enjoyed working. And some of the good things that came out, firstly, I shared my ideas about 1978 batch, IIT Madras. I think I just discovered, I think so did many of us, discover that there's a much larger Pan IIT outside just IIT Madras or our batches. I think I do recall that we did a wonderful IIT impact study. I think at that time it was some 175,000 alumni passed out of the institutes, and probably now it's about 210. And I think we did some, and it showed that at least I think the alumni have had huge contributions, everybody knows, not just in India, overseas. But we actually discovered that out of the 500 top companies in India, 450 have at least one IIT alumnus in the board, which is incredible. I mean, that's a level of, and because there's always this question that is asked about, we gave you so much, we, invested so much in you, what are you guys doing, and guys and girls. And what is another interesting thing is nearly more than about 1 out of 7 or 8 are entrepreneurs. And many are in research and academia. I mean, the survey showed up so much. So that was really an eye-opener for many of us. We did that. The second thing which actually happened was that there was good work done in 2006. The Pan IIT took place in Mumbai. regrettably not in IIT Bombay, but in Mumbai. And they started some work on skilling, and I think that took really concrete shape in 2008. Today, Pan IIT has a skill Gurukul, which is scaling up, and we have an alumnus from IIT Madras who's really leading that show, and some incredible work is going on. So we got a 150 crore funding from NSDC, and there's a lot of very, very good work that's happened there. So the IIT Impact Study, then the Skill Gurukul, and then the third, increasingly, thanks to this Pan IIT movement, we are being asked to give opinions on policies, on issues, and mostly from the HRD ministry, and now increasingly from the Rural Development Ministry. So what we discovered that during this Pan IIT really is there is such a large community of our alumni in government, in bureaucracy, and we found, in fact, one of the Chief Vigilance Commissioner is an alumnus of IIT Madras. So it was an incredible experience. But more importantly, I think the Pan IIT movement really has gathered thanks to that. And in fact, the IIT Madras, the one we did it in IIT Madras, I think we had people from Chandas who was from IIT Kanpur, and we had many outside of the IITs. We had from IIT Delhi, we had Anant IIT Delhi, then we had Deepak Mishra IIT Delhi, then we had obviously people like Nag and many who really did a great job. So I really, it was probably the most wonderful experience that all of us went through. So, and I'm really delighted that you guys gave us an opportunity to say a few words. And I do hope that the next Pan IIT will in India, I don't know whether it's in Bengaluru, I think. It can't obviously be taking place, right? Delhi, is it? Oh, okay. So I hope it takes place in one of the campuses. So it was really wonderful. So thank you for giving us our time with all of you. Thank you.
Hello, I am Varadarajan from 66 batch. Let me first recognize Professor Mehta, who is just walking in immediately after our 2008 Pan IIT reunion got over. He is one of the participation committee chair. The reason why I came up here is to recognize, we just had the current students lined up here. I want to recognize the first batch of 3 students, including the gold medalist here. Please stand up and be recognized. Thank you. We have Amudachari, Srinivasan, and Tangaraj, our gold medalist.